Hi, it's Dr. Saab. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the child lock system for the rear passengers. So, if you want it to be locked just like that, this video is perfect for you. Now this should be suitable for all types of cars, so you can do what I'm doing in this video to test it. But if you want a Mercedes, this video is perfect for you. So you can see that this child lock system is working, that's on. But if I use this one, you can see that one is actually switched off, so I can use it as a normal door. So I'm going to show you how to actually switch off or switch on the system. So if I open the rear passenger door, I've got a little slot here and there's a switch. Now if I push that down, now the child lock is actually switched off. Now if I do that, that's actually switched on. And now let's test it. So all I'll do is get inside the car. You can see that one is now switched on. And if I go back to this door on the left hand side, try the same again, you can see there it is, the switch is down, so that means that one is off. Now usually you do get a diagram there showing that it's off or on, but in this car, the Mercedes A-Class, it doesn't show it, so that's a good workaround. So if you do want to test if your child lock system works, try doing what I just did and let me know in the comments if this video's helped you. Now on the latest CLA model, you do actually have a diagram that shows you how the actual lock works for this particular car. First, I'll just show you how to use the actual child locks again, and you can see it's same for most Mercedes. You have got this, your child locks. If I press up, that puts it on, push down to switch it off. Now you can see just above the switch, there's a little diagram and it looks like a little person, and that I think is to represent a child. So that's how you can see on this particular car how to actually use a child locks. How useful is that? If you're not in a Mercedes, I'll be doing a general video showing how child locks work in all cars. So keep an eye out for that. When I've made that video, I'll add it in the description below and you might find it in the top right corner. Check out the Mercedes playlist to learn more about all the different models and how to use the main features of those cars. Please subscribe as it helps me and the channel grow and create even more content. Please like this video. Also comment if you have any suggestions or questions. Check out the playlist on useful hints and tips for Mercedes-Benz models, which has more videos like this, including videos on how to disable your Mercedes key to prevent thieves from stealing it. Also, there are videos on how to use the auto park feature and even the cruise control and speed limiter and much more. I also have videos on how to use the main features of all different brands and other models, so check them out at your leisure. There is also a Super Thanks feature. If you want to donate to the channel, then please feel free to use this feature, as any money raised from YouTube will be used to buy more equipment. Thanks for watching.